Hi, today we are going to discuss about what we are looking for in candidates for our postgraduate program in management for family business owners and entrepreneurs. We are looking for people who can truly benefit from this one-of-a-kind program, which would help business owners and entrepreneurs really scale their businesses, adapt them to the changing landscapes, and create startups which really benefit from opportunities that are available now more than ever. So who are we looking for? We are looking for people who can leverage the management frameworks that help you make better decisions, people who can work on improving their skills, people who can demonstrate leadership skills, people who want to focus on problem solving, and we want to tie all that up in the program and help create better business leaders and entrepreneurs. So what qualities do you need to have? You need to be first and foremost willing to learn. We want people to stretch yourself. This is a rigorous course. It's a one-year course because we think for entrepreneurs there's a significant opportunity cost. You want to be out there running your business, right? So you want to minimize the time you spend inside the classroom, inside the course. So we have packed it in such a way that you are leveraging every minute of the program, whether you're in the classroom, whether it's working on all kinds of applied learning, whether it's in terms of a startup challenge, whether it's in terms of preparing your business plan, pitching to entrepreneurs, venture capitalists, right? Networking with other business owners, right? So it's going to be a rigorous program. So you need to be ready to stretch yourself because this 1 year of business program is going to change your future and the future of your business. And it's an investment of time more than anything else. So be prepared to get every minute count. Next, we obviously want to assess whether you're prepared for the program, whether it's in terms of your analytical skills, right? So we want to look at your academic records. We want to look at assess your communication skills in an interview. We want to see how you are able to articulate your goals, your ideas, right? So we are going to select people who we think are going to make the most out of this. It is also important for us to ensure that there's a great diversity in the class because a lot of the learning in the program is going to be practical learning where people learn from each other. You are going to be in a class with fellow business owners, fellow entrepreneurs. Of course, you are also going to take a lot of courses along with our PGPM program where you have a lot of people with experience in different industries from across the country. So you're working in teams with all these people. So we want to understand how you can contribute to the rest of the class. You will definitely get a lot from everybody else. So you should be ready to share your learning, your understanding, and contribute as a team player as well. So we definitely are looking for the diversity. So we are looking for people who are competitive, who are driven, who are willing to stretch themselves, and who can add value to the peer group. So if you have all these qualities, I think you should seek to be part of this program.